as a marketing agency, we're like, hey, like we always want to be forward with the content, the most cutting edge, cool stuff. Grab eyes, stop the scroll. I mean, it's the same thing you're trying to do on social media these days to this day. Like it's an attention game, right? You can grab someone's attention, like you're going to win. It's clicks, views, monetization, all of that. So I saw FPV, I think maybe the first time was like Sam Coulter's travel videos, maybe back in the day. I was a big Casey Neistat guy, Sam Coulter, watched those videos at night, that would inspire you and show you new angles. I was like, oh, that's really cool. We should do that. I don't see a lot of people doing that yet because it was hard to figure out. People were still flying analog, building all the drones. There really weren't pre-builts out there, right? So like just FPV as a whole, like as you and I talk about all the time offline, is like it's come so far over the last 3 to 5 years where it's like you can almost buy one off the shelf now and connect it and off you go. So there was a high barrier to entry. And then secondly, I was like, not a lot of people are going to do this and take the time to figure it out. And this could be a differentiator for the marketing and video agency of Doula Creative Shop. So that's where the idea began. Then fast forward to like COVID hits and we're like, oh my gosh, like we're going to lose some clients. Some clients are going to explode. It's going to be really weird as a marketing agency. Like it's a very volatile business to be in. Because every industry was up or down based on COVID. Like no one knew. Sure. So then, we got a call and we were talking about indoor drone tours a little bit. Like, hey, what can we do with these drones? Kind of started off as like Doula aerials, like this aerial arm of Doula Creative Shop. And they're like, could you fly a home like while standing outside of it because of COVID? And we're like, I guess so. I guess maybe we can try that.
Yeah, let's try it out.
So we did that and started flying residential homes, and we probably flew 300 to 400 homes within the first like year that Doula Aerials indoor drone tour started because of COVID.